Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the Budget and Save Lives course. I just want to first congratulate you for taking this first step to improve your finances. We're not saying that everybody's supposed to know how to do it, but we're here to help you get it right. If you're tired, you've really been feeling like you just don't know how to figure out this money thing, if you feel like you get stressed or you get anxiety anytime you see numbers or you think about it, we're going to break it down for you and help stick up for budgets everywhere and just help you really get a grip on budgeting and changing the way you move with your money. Budgeting always gets a bad reputation. We associate budgeting with penny pinching. We associate budgeting with taking away all of the good things in our life. When in reality, that's not what budgeting is at all. Budgeting is simply making a plan for your money. Your budget is your roadmap to your financial goals. Your budget is the manifestation of your goals and financial goals and all the wealth and things and places you want to go. You get there through a budget. So the first thing I want you to do is stop thinking about a budget as if it's something that's trying to hold you back. No, your budget is trying to push you forward and get you to where you need to be. That's what I need you to understand. So this 4-week course is going to be power packed. You're going to, first of all, we're going to get our mind right with money. That's the first thing we're going to do. Then we're going to learn the art of budgeting. We're going to learn the art of budgeting. We're going to take a deep dive into our spending habits because that's usually our biggest budget killer. And then we'll learn some saving strategies so we can build up and work on doing more of the things that we love. So, say, for example, you want to purchase a house. This course is going to help you prepare your finances and learn those good money habits that you will need to save for your down payment. Make sure you have all the funds you need on closing day and to cover all the expenses with the home buying process. So, a little bit about me. My name is Nia. I'll be your Chief Learning Officer during this course. I am a speaker, author, real estate investor, and personal finance educator. I have one book. I'm the author of the 30-Day Money Challenge, and I'm actually coming out with another book next month. It's called Life Short. Make sure you get it. Okay. So, I purchased um, I was doing shaking money moves. And I got injured shortly after I purchased my house and ended up being without income intermittently, had to file for workers' comp. And you know that process is usually not super fast. Ended up losing my house, filing for bankruptcy, and foreclosed on my house, then filed for bankruptcy, and literally had to pull myself back up. You know how you were in gym class and you would have to climb those ropes? That's how I had to pull myself back up financially. I'm a single mother. My daughter is now 21. And I just, of course, being a single parent, I had my daughter at 17. My finances, broad experience, education, everything here. Couple things for you in one place so that I can help you learn from my knowledge and my experiences. So, with that being said, we're going to get into it. You also get access to the Gold Diggers community, my private exclusive community on Facebook. In that community, you do get access to me. You can ask your questions, get all the information that you want answered. If you finish this course and you're getting pumped up and you're ready to really make moves and change the way that you move with money all around, I highly recommend you join my Money Mastery Academy. I created an on-demand one-stop shop, and I bring personal finance experts to you every month, 2 to 3 times a month, so that you can have live sessions to ask all the questions that you need on every topic you can think of when it comes to personal finance. I created this because I wish there was something like this that existed when I was trying to navigate, when I was out here. in the daylight with a flashlight, trying to get my money strategies together. Now I have 2 investment properties, looking to purchase a third and go international myself. So just really, I wish that I could have done that. I feel like I could have done that process so much faster. So I figured, why not create the tools so other people can? So again, if you have questions, shoot me an email. Good luck on the course. I know you got this because you showed up. You showed up and you're supposed to be here, and it's time for you to get your money right. So let's go.